Human Resource Management Skill Development Activity number 3. This activity is based on the format of performance appraisal of an employee. You are expected to draft a format of any reputed organization where employees' performance is reviewed and the format being adopted. So I have taken few examples of the self-appraisal format or the format given by the company. So be it any type of format, there are certain standard information to be provided. To begin with, this is one of the simple format which is used to review the performance of employees every 3 months, that is quarterly. Employee name has to be mentioned, department or division has to be stated, the review period, date, and there are certain parameters where the performance is being reviewed. Overall performance, communication, company values, and leadership. So you can have ratings like consistency, meets expectations, often exceeds expectations, needs development, and consistently meets expectation. This is the simplest format. Next, this is one of the most commonly used format for employee performance review. The name of the employee, if there is ID, state the ID, number, department, the name of the reviewer, date, period of review, and the designation of review. There are certain parameters on which performance evaluation is done, for which there is a rating scale excellent, good, fair, or poor. When you're writing your record book, fill all these columns and for each parameter, give a tick mark for any one of these rating. Job knowledge, good. Productivity, excellent. Work quality, excellent. Technical skills, fair. Work consistency, good. Enthusiasm, poor. In case if it is cooperation, good. Attitude, excellent. Initiative, fair. Work relations, good or excellent. Creativity, punctuality, attendance, dependability, communication skills, and overall rating. Remember, multiple tick marks will not be considered. Give any one tick mark, and this is for the review column. And this has to be signed by the reviewer, signature of the reviewer, signature of the employee. Then this format is complete. Let's look into another format, employee performance review. Here the rating scales are different. It is poor, fair, satisfactory 4, and 5 is excellent. Employee information, job title, department, period of review, employee ID, date, and manager. The parameters are job knowledge. Any comments can be added here. Work quality, attendance or punctuality, initiative, communication or listening skills, dependability, and overall rating. You can fill this format and write in your skill development record book. You can think of another commonly used performance review format. Here, the ratings are based on job knowledge, work quality, attendance, productivity, dependability, and the rating scales are given. So you have to write and format in your record book. That is with skill development activity number 3. And this also is another format being used where if you observe, these all are the common elements: name, department, types of appraisal. Is it anniversary once in 12 months or special or once in 3 months or monthly? You can specify the period from when to when it is being stated here. And here the instructions are given. The appraisal form must be completed by the immediate supervisor based on certain performance standards which is being established. If the selected category is achieved per standards, the supervisor must indicate the level of rating as marginal or proficient. If the overall is achieve a standard, marginal or below standard, the supervisor must contact employee and labor relations department for assistance. So you can mention these parameters and give the weightage as exceed standards, achieve standards, or below standards. So this is how an staff performance appraisal form looks like. So you can write this in your record book. Avoid writing the first format because it is very basic and simple, and you can consider any of these formats to be written and completed in your record book.